Good morning to one and all. Students, in the last class, we have completed part 1 of chapter number 1. Right? So, in today's class, we are continuing with the part 2. And in that, we have to start our exercise 3. So, students, take out your maths notebook. You have to write down exercise 3 in your maths notebook. Okay? So, students, in the last class, we have completed exercise 1 and 2. What was the exercise 1? Yes, in the exercise 1, the heading was circle the odd number. So, in today's exercise 3, right? So, students, on the new page, you have to write down the date and exercise 3, and the heading is circle the even number. Okay, exercise 3, circle the even number, right? In the exercise 1, we have circle the odd numbers. In today's class, that is exercise 3, we have to circle the even number. आपको क्या करना है students? Circle करना है कौन से numbers को? Even numbers को. Okay, so start writing along with me. Okay, so write down the date and exercise 3. Okay, you don't have to write chapter number and chapter's name. Okay, so the heading is circle the even number. Now in this exercise we have to circle the even number. Now students, think what were the even numbers? कौन से even numbers थे single digit में? Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, right? जहाँ पे पीछे ones place में क्या है? 0 है, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, right? Last 2 minutes place में उसमें क्या आना चाहिए? 0. Okay, so we'll start with the A. A. What are the different numbers here? 58, 16, 79, 33. Right? What are the numbers here? 58, 16, 79 and 33. So students, आपको पता है लास्ट हमने कैसे ऑड नंबर को सर्कल किया था? Yes, याद करो हमने कैसे किया था? वेरी गुड. हमने क्या देखा था? वंस प्लेस देखा था, है ना? जो लास्ट कॉर्नर वाला डिजिट है, वंस प्लेस पे जो नंबर है, उससे हमने पहचाना था whether the number is odd or even. So in today's class also we will continue the same method. Okay, so here the first one is 58. Okay, so here which number is on the ones place? Ones place पे कौन सा नंबर है students? Yes, 8 है ना? 8 हमारा कौन सी प्लेस पे? ones place पे. Yes students, now think 8 is an odd number? No, 8 is an even number. 8 कौन सा नंबर है? Even number. Yes. So the 58 will be an even number, right? 58 will be our even number. Then 16. The number here is 16. So 6 is on the ones place. 6 कौन सी प्लेस पे? ones की प्लेस पे है. Yes students, 6 कौन सा नंबर हो जाता है यहाँ पे? Very good, even number. So the 16 will be even number, right? What is the heading here? We have to circle the even number, right? We have to circle the even number. हमें जो even number है वो circle करना है. So these 4 different numbers are given. Among them 58 and 16 are the even numbers, right? Now after writing down A, you have to leave one line and then you have to write down B. Okay, so we will start with the B now. Okay, so here the different numbers are 103, 140, 158 and 165. So we will start with the 103, or as we can say 103. Now students, 3 digit number है, right? So 3 here will be the ones place number, है ना? यहाँ जो 3 है वो ones place पे है. So students, 3. Think 3 is an even number? No, 3 is an odd number. So 103 will be an odd number. But here what we have to do? We have to circle the even number. Move on to the next number, right? That is 140. Right? The number here is 140. So students, on the ones place what is given? Yes, 0. क्या दिया गया है? 0. here 0 मतलब this whole number that is 140 will be the even number. Very good. 140 क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे students? Even number. Right? Now moving on to the next. That is 158. 158. Now students सोचना है आपको कि वंस प्लेस पे कौन सा नंबर है? Yes, 8. वंस प्लेस पे कौन सा नंबर है? 8. So your 158. अब 8 जो नंबर है वो कौन सा नंबर है? सोचो स्टूडेंट्स, इवन नंबर है या ऑड नंबर है? Yes, very good. 8 जो है वो इवन नंबर है. So indirectly 158 जो पूरा नंबर है that will be the even number, right? Now next is 165, है ना? लास्ट नंबर कौन सा है? 165. अब इसकी वंस प्लेस पे क्या है? 5. So your 5 आ जाता है odd number. So 165 here will be the odd number. Okay, we have to circle the even number here. Now see 267, right? 267. So here on the ones place, right? Ones place पे कौन सा नंबर है? 7. So 267, right? 7 कौन सा नंबर हो जाता है? Yes, odd number. 7 odd number है तो पूरा जो ये नंबर है 267 will be the odd number. Right now 363. Your 3 is on the ones place. So students सोचो 3 कौन सा नंबर है? Odd है या even? Yes, 3 है odd number. So here the full number, that is the whole number, that is 363 will be the odd number here. Now 324, right? 324. So here 4. One space पे कौन सा नंबर है? 4. So students सोचो 4 कौन सा नंबर है? Yes, even number. So 324 will be the even number here, right? Now the last number is 288, right? The last number is 288. So your 8 is on the ones place. 8 कौन सी place पे? Ones place पे. So 8 will be the even number here, right? So the whole number will be even number here. That is 288. क्या हो जाएगा हमारे यहाँ पे? Even number, right? So here till A, B, C we have completed. Okay. Then after leaving one line, you have to continue D and E. Okay, students. You don't have to write down this on the new page. You have to continue this. Okay. So now here D. D. The different numbers are 433, 500, 531, and 524. So we will start with the number 433. Now 433. Students think which number is on the ones place? Ones place पे कौन सा number है? Yes, 3. So 3 is what? Yes, odd number. So indirectly 433 जो पूरा number है that will be the odd number here. Then 500, right? 500. So 0 is on the ones place. 0 ones place पे ones place पे है. So 0 जब आ जाता है students, I already told you, right? I have already told you in the earlier class कि किसी भी नंबर के पीछे अगर 0 आ जाता है, right? 0 ones place पे 0 आ जाता है, that means that number will be the even number. So 500 here is the even number. Then 531. Okay, 531. Now which number is on the ones place? Yes, 1. This 1 is on the ones place. So 1 is an odd number. Indirectly, the whole number, that is 521, will be the odd number here. Then 524, right? The number here is 524. Now your 4 is on the ones place. 4 कौन सी place पे है? Ones place पे है, right? So 4 is an even number. 4 कौन सा number है? Even number. So 524 जो पूरा number है that will be the even number here. Okay, students, are you getting it? Are you getting the difference between the odd and even number here? Okay. By identifying which number is on the ones place, we can easily understand which number is odd number or which number is an even number here. Right? Now the last one. E. 340, 369, 378 and 385. Right? So here Now 0, yes students, it's very easy. नंबर है 340. वन स्पेस में कौन सा है नंबर? 0. तो जब 0 आ जाता है तो वो नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? यस, वेरी गुड, वो नंबर हो जाएगा even number. So 340 here is an even number. Then 369. Which number? 369. So students, which number is on the ones place? Ones place का number है 9. So indirectly 369 will be the odd number here. Then 378, right? 378. So here, which number is on the ones place? Yes, 8. 8 is on the ones place. So 8 is an even number. So indirectly, जो पूरा number है 378 will be the even number here, right? Then 385. 385. So 5 is on the ones place. कौन सा number है? 5. Here 5 is an odd number. So 385 is an odd number, right? Students, we have circled the even numbers here. In this exercise, we have circled the even numbers. In the first exercise, we have circled the odd numbers. Okay. So here we have completed our exercise 3. Now you have to continue with the exercise 4 on the new page. Okay. So this you can copy down from the PDF. Students, what you have to do, first of all, you have to understand the exercise and the explanation part. Then from the PDF, you can copy down the exercises in your maths book. Okay. So now we will continue with the exercise 4. Now students, we have to continue the exercise 4 on the next page, right? You have to take out new page and you have to continue exercise 4. First of all, write down exercise 4, right? Now here in the exercise 4, right? What is the heading? Write all even number. What we have to do? We have to write down whether the number is odd or even number. Students, in the exercise 1 and exercise 3, हमने क्या किया था? हमने सर्कल किया था. We have circled the odd number, and in the exercise 3 we have circled the even number. Now here we don't have to circle any number. We have to mention, हमें लिखना है, right? We have to write down कि whether these numbers are odd number or even number. Okay. So let's start. Now here the A. Okay. The number is 331, right? Here the number is 331, right? Now here students, we have to underline the number which is on the ones place. Ones place पे जो number है हमें उसको क्या करना है? Underline करना है. Okay? Yes, you have to underline that, right? So we have underlined the number 1. हमने 1 को underline किया, right? Now here 1. Now students, हमें सोचना है कि 1 कौन सा नंबर है, ऑड नंबर है या इवन नंबर है? यस, 1 कौन सा नंबर है? ऑड नंबर है. सो ये जो पूरा नंबर है, दैट इज द होल नंबर, दैट इज 331 विल बी द ऑड नंबर. सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दैट दिस 331 इज एन ऑड नंबर, राइट? वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस ऑड नंबर. 331 क्या हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे? ऑड नंबर. So we have to write down. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ circle नहीं करना है. We have to write down this 331 is an odd number. Now B. You have to leave one line and then you have to write down the B. Now 478. Okay, 478. Now students, think which number is on the ones place? Ones place में कौन सा number है? Yes, very good. 8 है. कौन सा number है? 8, right? आपको समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स क्या करना है हमें यहाँ पे? यस, वेरी गुड. अब यहाँ पे जो 8 है वो कौन सा नंबर है स्टूडेंट्स? यस, इवन नंबर. सो 478 जो पूरा नंबर है वो स्टूडेंट्स क्या हो जाएगा? वेरी गुड, इवन नंबर. तो यहाँ पे 478 विल बी द इवन नंबर. ओके. नाउ सी, दैट इज 205. ओके, 205. Now students, please understand this, that 0 is given here, but 0 is on the tens place. जो 0 है वो tens place पे है. Okay? We have to check कि ones place पे कौन सा नंबर है. So here the ones place 5 is given, right? कौन सा नंबर है यहाँ पे? 5. So 5 will be here. Which number? Very good. Odd number हो जाएगा. So 205, the whole number will be the odd number, right? So 5 ने पूरा क्या हो जाएगा students यहाँ पे? Odd number. Okay? Students आपको समझ में आ रहा ना कि यहाँ पे इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें क्या करना है? Right. Very good. Okay. You all are my good students. Now D. Right? D is 154. Right? The number is 154. Now students here think which number is on the ones place. सोचो ones place पे कौन सा नंबर है? 1 है? No. 5 है? No. So here 4 is on the ones place. कौन सा नंबर है यहाँ पे? 4. Right? 4 is on the ones place. So 4 is odd number? No. 4 is an even number. So the whole number, that is 154, will be the even number here, right? क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? Even number. Okay. You all have to write down this exercise in your maths notebook. Okay. And students, you have to maintain your maths notebook very neatly. Okay. Now E, 92. E कौन सा नंबर है? 92. Yes, ये 2-digit number है, right? So students think which number is on the ones place? Very good. Yes, 2 is on the ones place. So here 2 is an odd number? No, 2 is an even number. So 92 will be the even number here, right? 92 क्या हो जाएगा students यहाँ पे हमारा even number. Okay. Now 177, right? 177. So students think which number is on the ones place? Yes, 7. So we have to underline this 7. Then think students, 1 So here students, the number is 177, right? So 7 is on the ones place. So here think 7 is an odd number or even number? So 7 कौन सा हो जाएगा students यहाँ पे? Yes, very good, odd number. So this whole number, that is 177, will be the odd number, right? 177 यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा students? Odd number, right? Now 63, right? Here the last one is 63, right? 63 है. So students think कौन सा नंबर वंस प्लेस पे? क्या 6 है? No. Then which number? 3. So underline that 3, right? So 3 को हमने underline किया. Then think 3 is an even number or odd number? क्या 3 even number है students? No. So here 3 is an even. No. So here 3 is an odd number, right? Here 3 is an odd number. So the whole number, that is 63, will be the odd number, right? 63 here will be the odd number, right? So students, here we have completed our exercise 3 and 4. Today we have completed exercise 3 and 4, and this you have to write down in your maths notebook, okay? And exercise 5 and 6 will be your homework, okay? We will continue this chapter in the next class.